Sampada Shatra Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyoti Namostute. We salute the Supreme, who is the light in the lamp, that brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health, abundance of wealth, and the destruction of intellect's enemy. On this divine note, I request our esteemed chief guest, the proud recipient of Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddh Seva Medal, and the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Marshal Narayanan Menon, our Honorable Chairman Dr. Mohan Magnani, the principals of New Horizon Educational Institutions, Thank you, dignitaries. Life has a special flavor, he started his military career at the young age of 20 and dedicated the best part of his life to the safety of our nation. Sir was at the Kalai Konda Air Base when the Pakistan Air Force attacked the base twice in 1965. During the 18 bombing missions against targets in Pakistan in Sukhoi 7 fighter bomber aircraft. He was the Air Force officer. Kargil War included more than 2,000 day and night sorties by fighter aircrafts and helicopters and delivered about 330 tons of bombs, 4,000 rockets and many thousands of gun ammunition to the heights of Kargil. Sir has also been part of an Indian Air Force training team in Iraq and was there at the Kut Air Base when the Iranians carried out air attacks. Seva Medal in 1998, the Uttam Yuddh Seva Medal in 1999, and the Param Vishisht Edupruna Award 2015. Very recently, our chairman was given a special award for excellent contribution in education at the National Karnataka Education Summit and Awards 2016 by the Government of Karnataka. Dr. Mohan Magnani has also been genuinely interested and immensely involved in philanthropic work. In 1999, he very generously contributed to the Army Central Welfare Fund for the families of those affected in the Kargil War. His urge for social welfare has inspired him to provide free education to more than 1,500 students in a remote area of Bhimakanahalli in Hoskote, and every year he has been donating desks and furniture to the government's 5 crores to the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We are extremely fortunate to have your leadership, sir. I would now request Dr. Manjunatha, Principal, New Horizon College of Engineering, to welcome Chairman Sir with a bouquet. 2016 to enviable heights. The biggest and the most cheerful welcome to the heart and soul of Sargam 2016, the students of New Horizon Educational Institutions and the student participants of various colleges across Karnataka who have made it to this magnificent, a very enriching, exciting and exhilarating experience in the state-level intercollegiate cultural festival Sargam 2000 celebrated chief guest. I now humbly request Chief Guest Air Marshal Narayan Menon to kindly address the gathering.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very, very good morning to all of you. I wish to thank Mr. Mohan Magnani, Chairman of NHEI, Dr. Manjunatha, Colonel S.K. Kalia, Ms. Sargam Magnani and others on the dais for inviting me here. I wish to thank all the students, the professors and directors, heads of department of NHEI and the New Horizon College of Engineering for allowing me this opportunity to talk to all of you here. Thank you very much. I wish earlier it was supposed to be one Mr. Naib Subedar Surendra Kumar was supposed to be here. Unfortunately, he could not make it. But he is an actual hero. I am just an ordinary pilot from an extraordinary service. As has been told to you, the stream of the Indian Air Force in 1964 on Christmas, 25th December 1964. So Christmas and I have a very close relationship.
Thank you, sir. Your golden words of experience and the inspiring narrative of your conquests and your brave achievements will surely motivate all our students to respect our men in uniform and also to value peace over war. I would now request our Chairman Dr. Mohan Magnani to felicitate our Chief Guest Air Marshal Narayan Menon.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone who is present here, and I have been told by the chairman to give a speech to all the gathering here impromptu, because I have not come prepared. But first of all, I am really grateful, thankful to the administration of New Horizon College of Engineering for giving me the honor to come here and be a part of the August gathering and the dignitaries. So thank you, sir, and thanks to the principal also, and I am really grateful to meet here Air Marshal Narayana Menon, PBSM, UYSM and ABSM. It's also the proud moment for us today to have the parents of the soldiers who have sacrificed their life for saving the nation. The parents of Lieutenant Colonel late Niranjan and also I believe the parent of Captain Unni Krishnan are there amongst us today. So really, it's great to have them, and hats off to you that you have really, I must say, given the brave hearts and soldiers to the army who have fought happily and laid their lives for saving the nation. I'll not take much of the time because most of the things vastly have been covered by the Air Marshal, and he has touched upon all the tri-services, that is Army, Navy and Air Force, and he has shared his experience with you and also given you the outlines of the war, what is the difficulties in war, how the war has been fought, and what are the advantages and the disadvantages of the war. But at the same time, I have been just told by the chairman also when I was sitting alongside him that I must share something, that is the courage or the difficulties which Army, Navy or Air Force faces while in war or in peacetime.
Let's all have a huge round of applause for the release of the Souvenir of Sargam 2016. Thank you, sir. The topper in engineering is Swati Madhavan. Swati, please come up on stage. We have another topper in biotechnology, Srujana KN. Topper in civil engineering, Shantaya. Topper in electronics and communication engineering is Meghna C. Topper in electrical and electronics engineering is Vishwambhar R. Kulkarni. The topper in information science and engineering is Blessy Thomas. Topper in mechanical engineering, Akash G. Dikshit. Is Manasa N. And the topper in MTech, Padma Shri K. Students, and we wish you enormous success in all your future endeavors. We are immensely proud of you.
तुलसीवनं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
the military of India. Sargam 2016 is proud to become a platform to relive and reflect the moments of triumph and anguish, valor and sacrifice, which our soldiers so bravely face while guarding our borders, when you and I breathe easily the air of freedom in our cozy homes. There are so many unheard unnoticed stories of bravery and courage, grit and power of our unsung heroes, which most deservingly has to be brought forth to our youth. New Horizon has taken this challenge with pride and aims to rekindle the fire of patriotism in our youth and also honor the invaluable contributions of our warriors through the biggest annual event of New Horizon Sargam 2016.
It's a singular honor for me to be amongst an enthusiastic young crowd brimming with patriotism. The New Horizon institutions have a long history of supporting the gallant soldiers and the families in various ways. The contribution of Dr. Mohan Maghnani, Chairman, New Horizon Institution, toward soldiers' welfare and other nation-building endeavors is an established fact. It is also a matter of great pride to have Paramveer Chakra winner Naib Subedar Sanjay with us. The parents of Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, Mrs. Shakuntala Bhandarkar, and lots of Veer Naris with us today. The gallantry of the soldiers are keeping our border safe and intact and maintain our hard-won freedom. Indian Army has a proud heritage dating back centuries for its gallantry. The Army has always lived up to the expectations of the nation with great elan. In courage, bravery and resoluteness, Indian soldiers are second to none. The felicitation of Veer Naris by the institution is an acknowledgement of the supreme sacrifice made by the dear ones for this country. By honoring them, Dr. Mohan Magnani and the New Horizon institutions have attested their commitment towards society and the nation. I am greatly enthused by the presence of young generation in front of me, and it is a pleasure that they have taken up the theme of honoring the military valor during the annual festival. Their support encourages us and motivates us to achieve greater heights. I hope this festival will bring out the talent, enhance your skills, and instill leadership qualities in you for facing a bright future. Before finishing, I, on behalf of the uniform fraternity, would like to wish each one of you the very best and express my gratitude for honoring the kin of great warriors. I would like to thank Dr. Mohan Magnani for inviting me for the event, and I look forward to a great interaction with him and your wonderful, wonderful institution. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Inspiration. Thanks a lot. Now I request our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Sanjay Kumar, Paramveer Chakra awardee, to please come up and address the gathering.
स्टेज पे बैठे हुए सभी गणमान्य व्यक्ति, मेरे सामने शहीद परिवार के परिवार, दल, यहाँ के जो स्थानीय लोग, स्कूल का स्टाफ और प्यारे बच्चे, मेरे लिए आज सौभाग्य की बात है कि मुझे आप लोगों के बीच अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस बांटने का मौका मिला। ये सब आपके स्कूल के प्रबंधक और आपके स्टाफ के बदौलत। मैं नायब सबेदार संजय कुमार 13 जम्मू एंड कश्मीर राइफल से संबंध रखता हूँ। मैं हिमाचल बिलासपुर का रहने वाला हूँ। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, कारगिल ऑपरेशन के दौरान हमारी जो आर्मी ने जो काम वहाँ पे किया वो सराहनीय था। ऑल बटालियंस जो वहाँ पे लड़ी, उन्होंने हर तरीके से अपने जो उनको टास्क था उसको बखूबी से निभाया। वैसे ही मौका उस कारगिल ऑपरेशन के दौरान मुझे मिला, क्योंकि मेरी बटालियंस उस टाइम पे CIOPS एरिया में सोपोर में डिप्लॉय थी। और लड़ाई के टाइम पे हमें द्रास एरिया में डिप्लॉय किया गया, क्योंकि हालात अलग थे। लड़ाई के बारे में पूरी जानकारी हमारे पास नहीं थी, दुश्मन की जानकारी हमारे पास नहीं थी, मौसम के साथ लड़ाई सबसे ज़्यादा थी। फर्स्टली जब तुरलिंग में लड़ाई जब शुरू हुई तो सेकेंड राइफ और 18 ग्रेनेडियर ने शुरुआत की। जब शुरू में उन्होंने शुरुआत की तो उनके पास उतना फायर सपोर्ट नहीं था और स्टार्टिंग में ही उनकी काफ़ी कैजुअलिटी हो गई, लेकिन दोनों ही बटालियंस ने हौसला नहीं खोया और दुश्मन से वहीं पे लोहा लेते रहे।
Of the biggest annual event of New Horizon family, Sargam 2016, to felicitate the Veer Naris and other family members who are equally brave hearts in every sense, with a check of 2,50,000 by our Honorable Chairman. Srimati Sudha Bhai, wife of Mahabaleshwar Rani. He sacrificed his life during the Indo-Pak War 1965. For art, who monitors their women empowerment program. wife of Mohan Gangadharan. Thank you, ma'am. In Operation Rakshak 2001. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Srimati P.P. Kavita. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Srimati Savitri Rao, wife of S. Srinivas Rao, who sacrificed his supreme life during World War II. I repeat, Sir Srinivas Rao sacrificed his life during World War II. Srimati Savitri Rao is being felicitated with a check of rupees 2,50,000 by our Honorable Chairman. Mr. Ramesh H.S.,